Saturday, December 31st, New Year's Eve. B and I are about to hit up Marquee Day Dome, see Cash Cash. Should be an epic pool party.
Later.
Uber just dropped us off on the strip. It's like 11:45, right? This is a Connecticut time. Yeah. And the strip is lit. All the way to Vegas to vlog this for you guys. New Year's. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! What you guys do, don't do what this guy did. Alright guys, we're at the MGM Grand Poker Room, and I'm going to do something that I don't recommend. I never drink at the poker table. I'm there to work, make money, but it's New Year's Eve. Actually right now it's past midnight, so it's New Year's Day. So we're going to play some drunk poker. I wouldn't, if you're trying to build a bankroll, I wouldn't do this. You got 200 bucks to blow, to gamble. I say poker's not gambling, but tonight we're going to gamble, we're going to drink, we're going to have fun, we're going to see how we can do with a $200 buy-in. We're going to play 1-2 no limit. Don't really want to risk a lot more than that, because $200 that I'm willing to just blow and just have some fun. I love this guy right here. What's up? So if you guys did not know, oh my bad, I am a lightweight, but I had this Adios motherfucker, is the name of the drink, sorry for the language. Freaking delicious. I got another one. I'm feeling pretty good right now, but the first 3 hands that I played, I didn't have anything at all, and I took down like 3 or 4 really small pots. Then I got pocket kings under the gun. I raised it up $8. I've been raising, like, I've been betting pretty aggressive. I got like 5 callers to the flop. So on a 9 high flop. Somebody bet 15. I raised to 35 to see where I'm at. Somebody between us calls, and then the guy that bet 15 calls. Turn comes, it's an 8. The blind bets 50, and I fold, and stupidly of me, I show my kings, because I'm a little lit, to the people to the left side of the table, and I muck. And then the other guy calls with a flush draw. River comes, and the guy had a full house, 9 full of 8s. And the left side of the table gave me respect. They're like, wow, I'll give you a lot of respect, even if you're drunk. That was a good fold, good lay down. So a little bit of mistake, but I'm still like having a lot of fun at this table. We're being loud, we're drinking. So it's gonna be a fun night either way. 200 bucks, who really cares? We're gonna play.
Yeah.
Got the jelly.
4.
Jelly hand.
He has
Jack,
a 4. Oh, no way.
Jack 4 at the jelly hand.
He has
honestly.
a 4.
She had a queen, right?
That's ridiculous. Now I have 2.
Happy New Year's, guys. It's gonna be an awesome 2017. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Peace.